If you're wondering how to advertise Skool effectively, this quick explainer will walk you through the key steps and strategies, plus introduce some game-changing alternatives you might not have considered. Stick around until the end because we'll also share a special offer that gives you access to a free trial with Skool and a few options that might be better suited to your goals. First off, let's talk about why advertising Skool can be a bit tricky if you're not clear on your audience. Skool is a platform for community-driven learning. So when it comes to advertising, you want to target creators, educators, and entrepreneurs who are looking to build, scale, or monetize their communities. The problem is, not everyone fits neatly into that category. To make the most of your ads, you'll need to fine-tune your targeting and understand exactly what benefits Skool provides to your specific audience. Next, consider the competition. There are a lot of other community platforms out there, Thinkific, Teachable, and Kajabi, for example. While they're also great at helping you create and sell courses, none quite capture the community-driven learning experience like Skool. That's one of Skool's selling points. It allows creators to interact with their members in a more dynamic way. So when advertising Skool, you'll need to highlight how its unique blend of online course management and community features stands apart from the others. The next thing to keep in mind is how to present Skool in ads. Instead of just talking about the features, focus on the outcome. For example, how does Skool make it easier for creators to connect with their members and build stronger relationships? Highlighting the personal touch of Skool's platform, where the emphasis is on both community and learning, can really resonate with your target audience. Now, let's talk about platforms. Advertising Skool on Facebook or Instagram can be highly effective if you're targeting the right audience. Create ad creatives that show real-life use cases, like how communities on Skool engage with their creators and solve problems together. Short-form video ads are a great option here, especially since they're engaging and can be easily shared. But remember, Skool isn't the easiest platform to sell to beginners. It's more for those already familiar with creating or managing online courses. So make sure to include messaging that educates viewers on what Skool actually does and why it's a great fit for them. The fourth thing is retargeting. With any advertising campaign, retargeting those who've already interacted with your content will improve your conversion rates. By showing ads to people who have already visited the Skool site or watched a preview video, you increase the chances that they'll sign up for a free trial or become paying customers. Using tools like Facebook's Pixel or Google's retargeting features can help keep Skool top of mind for your audience. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool offers some great features, it's not perfect for everyone. For creators or businesses focused on course sales and content protection, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific may provide more robust options. And if you're looking for something more integrated with marketing tools, Kajabi could be a better fit. However, if your goal is a community-focused platform that drives deeper engagement, Skool is hard to beat. That said, we've got some incredible offers for you that come with free trials, so you can test out these options yourself. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available for Skool, plus exclusive benefits that only our viewers can take advantage of. But we've also included some top alternatives that might work better for your specific goals, and they have free trials too. Check out the link below for all the details and to get started today.